Hello everyone, welcome back. Time for another picture description challenge. This is number 9. Look at this picture for 15 seconds, then I'll describe it. Let's go. This picture shows many different people working in a village. They all are doing different jobs. The sun is shining brightly in the top right corner. In the top left, there is a farmhouse. The house has a blue roof and white walls. A wooden fence separates the chicken area from the rest of the farm. A man is standing near a house with his chickens. He is wearing a yellow shirt and green pants. He is feeding chickens from a bowl. The chickens are pecking at the food he is giving them. The chickens are brown and white. Next to the fence, another man standing with a brown cow. The man is wearing a green shirt. He is also wearing blue jeans. The man has a conical hat like a traditional Asian hat on his head. Interestingly, the man is barefoot. He is holding a hexagonal object in his right hand. His left hand is placed gently on the cow's back. It looks like he is taking good care of the animal. The cow is brown in color. The cow has yellow horns and is very strong. The cow is facing towards the right side. Some green grass is visible behind the fence. In the bottom left corner, two women are working in a field. They are harvesting tea leaves. Both women are traditionally dressed. They are wearing orange dresses with yellow headscarves adorned with white dots. They are wearing orange bangles on their wrist, adding to their additional look. They are surrounded by lush green tea plants. One woman is standing upright. The other is slightly bent forward. Both women are smiling as they pluck the tea leaves. There are baskets on their backs to collect the leaves. The women are actively plucking the leaves by hand and placing them into their baskets. In the bottom center, there are two women working in a lush green field. It is filled with plants bearing purple fruits or vegetables. The woman on the left is crouched down. She is wearing a green shirt and lilac pants. She has a blue headscarf and is wearing blue gloves. She is working near a brown crate with an orange outline. The woman on the right is standing. She is wearing a green and yellow sari with purple blouse. She is holding a basket filled with purple produce. On the bottom right, a man in a white dress. He is riding a bicycle with large baskets. The baskets have green produce attached to the front and back. The bicycle is yellow with black wheels. He is taking the fresh food to the market or to his home. The basket on the bike is overflowing with green vegetables. The man is smiling as he rides the bicycle. In the top right, two men are working together. They are harvesting fruits from a tree. One man is standing on an orange ladder next to the tree. He is wearing a green and white checkered shirt, orange pants and an orange hat. The man on the ladder is reaching up to pick fruits from the tree. The other man is standing on the ground. He is wearing an orange shirt and green pants. He is holding a brown box under the tree to collect the fruits. There is a green wheelbarrow. It is filled with fruits next to them. The tree has a thick brown trunk. It has big green leaves with lots of round green fruits hanging from it. Everyone in the picture seems happy to be working together. And that's my description for challenge number 9. What was the first thing you noticed? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe so you don't miss what's next. See you in the next video.